the biggest country in the English-speaking Caribbean, is still without a franchise in the regional professional T20 league, the CPL. And this is after the Tarawas pulled up stumps and sailed away from Jamaica. We hearing now that one of the Indian-owned franchises and some Pakistani interests are close to an agreement to reset the Jamaican franchise. But again, those hopes seem to be fading away. And while it's a shame, it's not a surprise that Jamaica is struggling to maintain a cricket franchise. The fact of the matter is that Jamaicans at all levels, we don't love cricket enough to support it enough to enable a profitable franchise to survive. All the other franchises spread across all the smaller islands have maintained their CPL franchises. Big Bad Jamaica has not. And the reason is painful, but it's simple. Jamaicans just don't love cricket like that anymore. The most we say is what is score. What is score? We are out already.